Have you ever wondered why some people seem to become happier, stronger, and more energetic after 60, while others quickly lose their spark? The answer isn't just good genes or luck. According to Stoic philosophy, the quality of your later years depends on how you use your mind every single day. Marcus Aurelius once reminded us that the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Retirement doesn't mean your purpose is over. In fact, it may be the first time in decades that your life truly belongs to you. Many people spend their working years dreaming about retirement, but once they get there, they feel lost. The routine disappears, the challenges fade, days begin to look the same. Without purpose, even comfort can become a burden. The Stoics believe that every stage of life has its own mission. Your 60s and beyond are not about slowing down. They're about becoming wiser, calmer, and more fulfilled than ever before. Today, we'll explore 7 retirement hobbies that don't just pass the time, they keep your mind sharp, your body active, and your spirit young. Let's begin. 1. Walking with intention. Walking may seem ordinary, but to the Stoics, it was one of life's greatest teachers. Rather than rushing from one destination to another, they used walking as a moving meditation. Every step became a chance to observe nature, organize thoughts, and practice gratitude. Scientific research now supports this ancient wisdom. Regular walking improves heart health, strengthens muscles, reduces stress, and even lowers the risk of cognitive decline. But don't walk while constantly checking your phone. Instead, notice the trees, the sky, the changing seasons, and your own breathing. Let each walk become a quiet conversation with yourself. The goal isn't speed, the goal is presence. 2. Reading great books. One of the greatest gifts of retirement is finally having time to read without rushing. Seneca believed that surrounding yourself with wise minds, even through books, helps shape your own character. Read biographies of remarkable people. Explore philosophy, history, psychology, or literature that challenges your thinking. Every page becomes a conversation with someone who has already walked through life struggles. Instead of spending hours scrolling through endless headlines or social media, feed your mind with ideas that remain valuable for decades. A healthy body matters, but a curious mind stays young even longer. 3. Gardening. At first glance, gardening may seem like nothing more than planting flowers or vegetables. The Stoics saw something much deeper. Nature teaches patience. You cannot force a seed to grow faster. You prepare the soil, provide water, remove the weeds, and then wait. Life works the same way. Gardening reminds us that meaningful results often require quiet consistency rather than instant rewards. It also provides gentle physical activity, fresh air, sunlight, and a powerful sense of accomplishment every time something blooms. More importantly, it reconnects us with the rhythms of nature, something modern life often causes us to forget. When you care for a garden, you're also caring for your own peace of mind. These first 3 hobbies share something important. None of them depend on expensive equipment, perfect health, or extraordinary talent. They simply require your attention. And according to Stoicism, attention is one of the greatest forms of wisdom. But the next 4 hobbies go even deeper. They strengthen not only your mind and body, but your relationships, creativity, and sense of purpose. 4. Learning a new skill. One of the biggest myths about aging is that learning stops after retirement. The Stoics would strongly disagree. As long as you're alive, you're capable of growth. Whether it's learning to paint, play the piano, speak a new language, cook healthier meals, or master modern technology, every new skill tells your brain one powerful message: I'm still growing. Studies consistently show that lifelong learning strengthens memory, improves mental flexibility, and reduces the risk of cognitive decline. More importantly, learning something new replaces fear with curiosity. Don't worry about becoming an expert. Enjoy being a beginner again, because humility is one of the greatest Stoic virtues. Every small improvement is proof that your best years of growth are not behind you. They're still unfolding. 5. Volunteering and helping others. Marcus Aurelius believed we were born to work together, like hands, feet, and eyes working for the same body. Retirement gives you something many people desperately need: time. And time becomes meaningful when it's shared. Volunteer at your local community center, mentor younger generations, help at a food bank, support a local charity, or simply be present for someone who feels alone. Acts of kindness don't just change someone else's life, they transform your own. Helping others reduces loneliness, increases happiness, and gives each day a renewed sense of purpose. Stoicism teaches that fulfillment doesn't come from asking, "What can I get?" It comes from asking, "What can I give?" Purpose is the greatest anti-aging medicine. 6. Journaling and daily reflection. Every evening, the Stoic philosopher Seneca reflected on his day. He asked himself simple but powerful questions. What did I do well? Where could I improve? What lesson did today teach me? Retirement offers the perfect opportunity to build this life-changing habit. Spend just 10 minutes writing each day. Record your gratitude. Capture meaningful memories. Reflect on challenges without judging yourself. Write letters to your future grandchildren, or simply describe the wisdom you've gained through life. Your journal becomes more than a notebook. It becomes a map of your personal growth. While memories may fade with age, written wisdom can inspire generations. 7. Spending time in meaningful relationships. Perhaps the greatest hobby isn't a hobby at all. It's investing in people. The quality of your life is deeply connected to the quality of your relationships. Call an old friend, visit your grandchildren, share meals with neighbors, join a walking group, book club, or community gathering. Real conversations nourish the soul in ways that screens never can. Stoicism reminds us that life is temporary. Every conversation could become a treasured memory. Don't wait for special occasions. Create them. The people you love won't remember how busy you were. They'll remember how present you were. And presence is one of the greatest gifts anyone can give. Final thoughts. Retirement isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of a chapter filled with freedom, wisdom, and purpose. The happiest people after 60 aren't necessarily the wealthiest or the healthiest. They're the ones who continue growing. They keep walking. They keep learning. They keep serving. They keep reflecting. They keep nurturing meaningful relationships. And most importantly, they never retire from becoming better human beings. As Marcus Aurelius wisely reminded us, waste no more time arguing what a good person should be. Be one. Every sunrise gives you another chance to live with intention. No matter your age, your next chapter can become your greatest one. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and tell us which retirement hobby speaks to you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more timeless Stoic wisdom that helps you live with strength, peace, and purpose. Until next time, take care of your mind, guard your character, and remember, age is inevitable. Growing old in spirit is always a choice.